Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning, sir. Hey, I'm with the Texas Highway Patrol. Now, you're stopped today because your speed was confirmed over the speed limit back there. Let's see your license and your insurance, please.
So you're saying I violated some sort of transportation code?
Yes, sir. Speeding.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's license and your insurance, please, and we can talk.
Okay. Well, I'm letting you know that I'm not here in a commercial capacity.
Okay.
I'm not carrying people for a fee,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not carrying any cargo for a fee.
Okay.
I'm actually just traveling.
Right.
So those laws are actually for commercial reasons, not for personal reasons. Not for.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I just need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance for the vehicle, okay?
Okay. I don't. There's not a crime that's been committed. So
Yes, sir. The speed limit here is 65, and your
Right,
speed
those-
was confirmed over the speed limit.
Okay.
You're traveling on a public roadway.
Okay. Again, that is. Make sure we're recording this. That is for. There you go. That is for a commercial vehicle. I'm not a commercial vehicle. Those
Okay.
speed limits are set for commercial vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's
Am I
license.
under arrest?
Technically, this is an arrest. You're not.
Okay.
You are not being
Okay.
placed under
If
arrest
I'm-
and going to jail.
Okay. If this
Sir,
is a custodial
sir,
arrest. This is a
listen.
custodial arrest, right? Okay. What department are you with?
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Okay.
With
What's
the Texas
your name?
Highway Patrol.
What's your name?
I'm Trooper Taylor.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I under arrest? Is this a custodial arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead and read me my Miranda rights, please? My Miranda
For what?
warnings. You said I'm under arrest. Okay, that's the law. Is that now I want you to give me my Miranda warnings
For what reason?
because you said I'm under arrest.
That's right. Like I said, it's a traffic arrest. It's a traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay.
The law doesn't differentiate whether it's traffic or murder. Okay. If I'm under arrest, then you are required to give me my Miranda rights. Go ahead and give me my Miranda rights.
Okay. All right. This is evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present to it before and during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. If you are too poor to hire a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed by the court to advise you before and during any questioning. You have the right to terminate this interview at any time. Now, I need to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance for the vehicle.
Okay. So you said I have the right to remain silent, correct?
Right. You don't have to
Okay.
say anything.
Right.
I need to see your
If-
driver's license and your
Right.
insurance.
Anything I say can and be used against me in a court of law. Is
Right.
that correct? If I give you my driver's license
Mhm.
and I give you proof of insurance, you can use that against me in a court of law. So why would I want to give that to you? I'm gonna
Because
go
it is
ahead and
required by law.
No, you just said anything I say can be used against me.
Right.
So if I give you something, it can be used against me. Okay. Why would I give you something that can be used
Because
against me?
it's
You
required
told me
by
that.
law.
No, you told me that was a right. I have the right. So I'm gonna exercise my right to remain silent. I want my attorney since I'm under arrest. Okay. And I am going to exercise the fact that I can't give you anything because you can use that against me.
I'm not trying to use anything against you.
Well, you could, but you could, is the thing. You want to read those Miranda rights again?
Sir, to operate a vehicle on the roadway, you're required to have your driver's license, okay?
Sir,
And you're required to
if
follow
I'm
the speed
under,
limit.
if I'm operating under a commercial reason, okay, not if I am just traveling. I told you I am just traveling in my private conveyance. So
Okay.
that law does not apply to me. So now you don't have probable cause anymore. Am I
Yes,
free
do
to go?
have- No, you are not free to go.
Okay.
Sir,
I suggest you call your supervisor right here because you obviously don't understand the law.
Sir.
You just read me my Miranda rights.
okay.
Okay.
Listen, I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. The faster we do that, the faster we can both get out of here.
Sir. Sir.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're very clear on this. You read my Miranda rights. You want to read them again?
No, sir.
Okay. So I am not going to answer any questions. I'm going to remain silent.
That's fine.
I cannot give you anything because if I give you something, that you can use that against me in a court of law.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Sir.
Do you understand that?
Understand what?
That if I give you something, you can use that against me in a court of law. Why would I give you something?
Because it's required by law.
Okay,
You broke the law. You were traveling at a speed
okay.
greater
If
than
I'm
the speed
under
limit.
arrest, I'll be glad to ID.
Okay, let me see some identification.
I give you a verbal ID.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, if you say I'm under arrest, then I'll give you a verbal ID. I don't see how I could be under arrest when I haven't broken the
Okay.
law.
What's your verbal ID?
Okay. First name is Edward.
That's EDWARD?
Correct.
Okay. So do you have a driver's license?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just as you read my Miranda rights.
Do you have proof of financial responsibility for the vehicle?
I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, well, let's see what we got. All right, sir.
Am I free to go?
No.
Okay.
All right, so do you have any suspensions, any warrants on your license right now?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All righty, sir. Well, here's the deal. Back there at FM 523, your speed, it was confirmed at 92 miles per hour. Okay? Speed limit here is 65. So you are going to receive a citation for your speed today, okay? Do you have insurance for the truck?
Sir, again,
Okay, I'll check it on my
you're
side.
con- you're
Just hang on
conti-
one second. Alright, sir. You can just sign here on the X. And signing here, it's not a plea of guilt, it's a promise to make contact with the court. You're going to make contact with Judge Davis here in Angleton on or before February 6th. All right?
can I see that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I disagree with this.
Okay. You're not going to sign it?
I like my attorney now since I'm under arrest.
Okay. So are you going to sign this or no?
I would like my attorney, sir.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, this has all your information on it and what you need to do to be able to contact Judge Davis, okay? There's a phone number and an address on there, okay? All right, sir. Well, just be safe driving, okay? And slow it down a little bit.